near to the PIR sensor, then there is no alert from the buzzer and the red LED also. If animal is detected from the PIR sensor, then the red LED and the buzzer both are on as an alert for the field